However, two important facts should be clearly understood. Number one, radiation effects on living cells are cumulative. They add up over a period of time. Number two, most scientists would say that there is no minimum level of radiation below which no damage will be done. For a moment, let's review the main principal types of radiation. Alpha particles have a relatively high mass, but their penetrating power is very slight. Alpha particles are easily stopped by a single sheet of paper. They will not readily penetrate human skin. However, alpha particle emitters are dangerous if they enter the human body, as in food. Beta particles are somewhat more penetrating. Their mass is much smaller, but their velocity is greater. Their penetrating power is such that it takes several sheets of paper or a thin sheet of aluminum to stop them. Still, as in the case of alpha particles, betas from radioisotopes must actually be emitted inside the body before any great damage can be done. Gamma rays, which are similar in character to X-rays, are very penetrating. Gamma radiations can be stopped only by massive shielding. They are extremely dangerous from outside the body as well as from within. Every living cell contains a collection of tiny units called genes. Taken together, the genes determine the characteristics with which an individual is born. The inheritance mechanism is particularly sensitive to radiation. This has given rise to much concern about radiation-induced genetic mutations. The reduplication of genetic patterns is not eternally static. Every so often a gene changes or mutates, and a characteristic of the organism is altered. We do not know the exact process by which mutations occur, but we do know that they can be caused by radiation. Once changed, the new form of the gene is passed on as faithfully as the old one was. The results of genetic mutation are almost invariably undesirable. Much has been and is being done in an attempt to solve the many problems involved. But this we know: mankind needs to proceed with caution, knowing that only the future will produce scientifically acceptable answers.